typing your prompts into Claude? Stop. I'm going to show you how to talk to Claude instead using a tool called Wispr Flow, so you can get your ideas out 3 times faster than typing. First, if you haven't already, install Wispr Flow. It's free to start, works on Mac, Windows, iPhone, and Android. Once it's installed, sign in, and it'll ask for microphone and accessibility permissions. Just say yes to both. That's what lets it type into any app, including Claude. Check your hotkey in Settings. This is the key you'll hold down to talk. I've got mine set to a shortcut I can hit with easily. Once that's set, you're ready to go. Now click into Claude's chat box just like you're about to type. Then hold your Wispr hotkey down and just talk. Write me a short, friendly email to my landlord asking if I can push my rent payment back 3 days this month. Release the key and boom, your words show up as clean text in the chat box, punctuation and all. Hit enter, and Claude responds like normal. The difference is you're not stopping to think about phrasing. You just ramble your thoughts out loud and Wispr cleans it up. For long, messy prompts, like explaining a whole project, this is a game changer. That's it. Install it, set your hotkey, click into Claude, hold and talk. Try it on your next prompt and see how much faster it feels. If this helped, follow for more tutorials like this.